But we begin tonight with retail. Some say the industry now faces its biggest challenge since the Great Recession. And as the sector gets set to report earnings, investors are preparing for the worst. We've already seen a growing number of retailers file for bankruptcy, and if the pace keeps up this year, could see the highest number of such filings since 2009. And just today, the teen retailer Abercrombie & Fitch, which has seen its stock fall more than 40% over the past year, is reportedly in merger talks with at least 2 interested buyers. Tomorrow, we may start to see just how much pain the retailers are in when companies like Macy's and Kohl's report their quarterlies. Bob Pisani takes a look at what to expect.
The overall retail picture is looking pretty grim right now. About 20% of all publicly traded retailers are expected to lose money in the first quarter. 20%. 60% will report lower earnings than the same period last year. That's terrible. That would be the worst performance for retailers since the Great Recession. Retailers have reached a tipping point in the last few months, plagued by a number of big problems. For example, more sales are going online, we all know that. And there's a shift to experiences like travel and restaurants over buying apparel. And of course, we have a big oversupply of retail outlets out there. Then, of course, there's Amazon. That's the big elephant. Amazon made up more than 60% of the growth in U.S. online retail sales last year. 60% of the growth. And they're about 27% of the growth in the total retail market. Think about that. One company was a quarter of all the growth that we saw in retail sales last year. How do you compete with that? There is no margin for error because of the pressure Amazon and even Walmart are putting on the businesses in terms of pricing and delivery. Still, a number of retailers are holding up, including the home improvement group. So Home Depot and Lowe's, they're doing well, and some beauty companies are doing well. Ulta is doing well, Coty is doing well, but that's a pretty small group. The typical retailer is down double digits this year. The biggest movers, what else? It's Amazon, it's up 26%, and the other behemoth, Walmart's up about 11%. Tough year. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Bob Pisani at the New York Stock Exchange.